My role is to oversee the department where we look after all the domestic properties within the authority and all the schools and public buildings, and within that we look after the heating elements, plumbing, gas, renewable energy and sprinkler systems. I decided to do my particular apprenticeship as part of my career pathway and development. I was the mechanical manager at the time, and then the next step was senior mechanical manager. But obviously, as part of that role, it was an essential criteria for me to make the next step to either be working towards or have already achieved the ILM Level 5 Leadership Management. I found juggling work with my apprenticeship okay. I think a big part of that was obviously the structured learning provided by Jewell College Swansea, and also Nicola, my lecturer, she was very approachable. So any issues I had outside of the learning days, she would help. She'd always be on the other end of the email, etc. If anyone is considering an apprenticeship, I would recommend them to do it. It may seem a lot to juggle at the time, but once you sit down with your lecturer and they provide a structured learning plan, you will soon realise that it's more achievable than you think. The top benefits of doing an apprenticeship are potentially increased earning potential. You would gain an internationally recognised qualification and career progression.